What's up? I wanted to talk about the time I got arrested. This was a long time ago, about 9 years ago. Me and my friends went out, and my brother was with me. We were just hanging out at the spot, you know. We all used to gather up and hang out and street race. Back in the day, I used to have a nice little old 85 Corvette. It was pretty quick. It wasn't the fastest thing in the world. 230 horses, but 330 pound-feet of torque was a lot. I know that cars nowadays are shit, 4-cylinders are doing that. One of my buddies was there. Him and another guy were racing that day. It was a Dodge Ram single cab versus a Chevy Silverado with a Corvette engine swap. And he was like, damn dude, this truck is pretty fucking fast, you should race them. And I was like, alright, fuck it, let's do it. So we were right here where we were, you know, just taking off from the lights. Every light we would, you know, go up to the speed limit super fast, just fucking taking off at the lights and shit. Man, we get all the way out here, and I'll show you exactly where it was. Apparently they said that there was a undercover police officer following us. And I didn't ever actually see the tape or whatever. I didn't have money for a lawyer, so I couldn't really fight it. None of this shit up here was here. All this shit to the left, Academy, none of this shit was here. This was a long time, 9 years ago, man. I got arrested when I was 17, and I'm 26 now. And we were coming down this way. We went all the way to this gas station. There's another light. We'd always go down there and make a U-turn and come back this way and race. So we rode all the way out here. See, the light's coming up now. And this is where we always used to turn around, right? So me and my buddy in the blue Dodge were turning around right here. And the dude in the Chevy with the Corvette engine in it kept going straight. I guess he was gonna turn around up there somewhere. We turned around and we're like, oh fuck, dude kept going straight. And that's the guy I was gonna race, because there's no point of racing a fucking Dodge Ram single cab, you know. It's just a regular truck. You know, me and him were looking at each other through our car windows, and we're like, oh fuck it, let's just go back, you know, whatever. We're driving up this way, and apparently that undercover cop was behind us the whole time. Apparently he got that shit on film. I'm not sure, I didn't get to see it, so I don't know. As we were driving back, they had set up a fucking spot where they were gonna catch us. I think right here is where they set up. I saw some cars right here at this little U-turn section. One of these two. And I was like, oh fuck. And they didn't turn their lights on right away. They waited for us to get back just a little ways up there, and then they pulled us over. Of course, I didn't want to fucking leave my car sitting on the side of the fucking road. I was like, I knew I was going to jail, so I kept driving. I put my hazards on. I slowed way the fuck down. The dude was like, come on, pull over. And I was like, hold the fuck up. Actually, you know what? Now that I think about it, that Academy was still there. That's where I pulled in. That's where I pulled over at, and I sat in a parking spot. So I parked there. I wait for the cop. He's like, he walks up to the car, and he's like, you know what just happened, right? Or you know what's going on? And I was like, no, not really. He's like, you know, you were street racing. And I was like, no, I wasn't. We never, here's the kicker. We drove all the way out there, and because that dude kept going straight, we never got to street race. It was, you know, there wasn't any point. We were hot rodding here in town, light to light, you know, taking off, peeling out and shit, but we never raced. So we went all the way out there, came back, and never even fucking raced. Yeah, he said, the cop was like, yeah, just step out of the vehicle for me. And I was like, oh, fuck. They got my buddy way back there, and the dude in the red truck, they waited for his ass to turn back around. Yeah, right here. They put me in handcuffs, put me in the car. They took me down to the station. Apparently, that day, because street racing was a big fucking thing here in Tyler. It got real out of hand back in 07 and 08. It was pretty crazy. Apparently they were doing a sting operation. They were busting people for street racing. I think it was a Friday or a Saturday. And that day I was supposed to actually go spend the night at my girlfriend's house. My girlfriend at the time, because her dad worked nights, you know, so that's how you do it. Instead of going over there, I wanted to hang out with my friends and act stupid and street race, and yeah, it got me in trouble. I get there and it's me. It was like 4 or 5 of us. It sucked, dude. Just somebody in there took all the toilet paper and made a fucking pillow out of it. I was like, what the fuck? I tried to stand up the whole time I was there because I didn't want to fucking sit down in that nasty shit. That night, that fucking jail was so booked up, they had to put us in the drunk tank. Another thing that pissed me off was that they impounded my fucking car and they wouldn't let my little brother drive it. They took my car and I sat in there for, fuck, I don't know, a good 5-6 hours till my brother bonded me out. Man, as soon as I got out of there, my buddy was outside waiting for me. He's one of my best friends. I've known him for fucking shit, 9-10 years now. He was waiting out there maybe 2-3 hours. We went and got Whataburger and he dropped me off at my girlfriend's house, and then in the morning went back and picked up my car from the fucking impound lot. Jail is not fun. But that's the one and only time I've been to jail, and that's now off my record. Got expunged or whatever. Let me know in the comments if you guys ever been to jail for anything stupid like that when you should have been with your woman. Oh, that's all I got. Y'all niggas fuck off.